Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messenger messages on iPhone. So, deleted important messenger messages on your iPhone or Android. So, while permanently deleted chats usually can't be recovered, there are a few methods you can try depending on how the messages were removed. So, here's what you need to know. So, first is to check archived chats. So, sometimes conversations are archived instead of deleted. So, open the Messenger app, then click the menu in the bottom right corner. Now, from here, click Archive and see if the message you're looking for is in there. So if you see the message, you can open it and send a message to move it back to your inbox. Next method is to download your Facebook information. So if your messages are still stored on Meta servers, you may be able to retrieve them. So open the Facebook app, then go to menu in the bottom right corner, then go to settings in the top right. Now in here, go to account center. Next, go to your information and permissions. Next, scroll down and go to download your information or export your information. So click on that. So here you can choose current activity or past activity, then click create export. Choose a profile, export to device or export to external service. Now in here, scroll down and click start export. So once the file is ready, download it and check whether the deleted conversation is included. So you may have to enter your password to continue. So do that. Next method is to check other devices. So if you're logged in into Messenger on another device that hasn't synced yet, the messages may still be accessible there. And that's basically it. So that's how you can recover deleted Messenger messages on your phone. So if none of these methods work, the messages were likely permanently removed. So to avoid losing important conversations in the future, consider regularly backing up your files and downloading your Facebook information periodically. And that's it. Thank you for watching.